In this quick video, we'll learn how to allow Instagram access to your photos or your camera roll so you can start uploading posts or reels right from your phone. I'm gonna show you how you can do this on your iPhone, and I'll do a separate tutorial on how you can do this on Android. So make sure to leave a like on this video if you want to see that. If you try and upload something to Instagram and you see this message where they ask you to allow access to your photos, then let's exit our Instagram application and then we'll open our settings. Once we're in our iPhone settings, we can scroll all the way down to our application section on page and simply find Instagram in here. Here is my Instagram application, so I'll open it, and then I have to tap on the Photos section. That is going to show me 3 different options from which I can choose from. I can click on this limited access, and then I can select the photos and videos from my camera roll that Instagram can view and use. So you select what the app can see and upload. Or you can allow full access to Instagram, and they can view your whole photo gallery. So every time that you go and upload a photo or reel, your photo gallery will show up in your Instagram application. And that's about it. Now Instagram will have access to your camera roll and you can start uploading content for your followers.